friends, welcome to BAFNA Cars. Today we have got a CLA 200 in-house for a very beautiful modification. Friends, in this car we have done a complete paint protection film. It's a brand called Solar Shield. It's one of the finest product which has got a very beautiful super gloss by its own. It is a self-healing film and it's got a super hydrophobic properties. Friends, this is really going to protect your car completely from pebble scratches, functional scratches, hard water, and many such things which are really going to damage the paint surface of your car on the road. Along with this, friends, we have installed a complete sun control film, and we have also done a wonderful Android system in this car. Come, let's have a look. So guys, this is the original system in the vehicle. We had replaced it to a fantastic Android system. Look how beautiful the system is. It has got all the features with all multi-level applications where you can have a YouTube, you can have a GPS map, you can have your Bluetooth phone connected, you can have an Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that to be wireless. It is how beautifully it is reciprocating, you can see. The applications are superb. So friends, we have got Mr. and Mrs. Jatta with us. This CLA belongs to them and they has literally given us an opportunity to work on this vehicle. We would really appreciate if sir can give some reviews, ma'am. Please give some reviews on us. How do you find the overall experience when you have been here? How was the overall job, what has been taken care of? And can you please share the experience on that?
The experience has been good. I rated 5-star for the experience. Right from the time we came in, we were given all the information that we asked for. All our queries were answered very calmly and patiently. And the job done, we can see it today. We are going to visit the car and we are very happy with the shine that we got with the PPF. We are very happy for the CCTV camera that has been given inside. So for the brand like Mercedes, I think BAFNA Motors is what it is.
Thank you so much for your wonderful reviews. Thank you so much. Please keep shouting your blessings the same.
Sure.
And really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.